Hey there. Welcome to 4660 Reed Road in Thompson Station, Tennessee. This stunning home has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and 5,383 square feet. Now the home was built by Pearson Davis with Harp Development, and it's listed with Kellen Moore with the Helton Real Estate Group. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my 5 favorite features of this beautiful home. Let's start out right here. All right guys, so my first favorite thing about this home is the outdoor living spaces. And I wanna start right here with this front patio right here behind me. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. The views that you get out here, if you look out there, look at the hills back there, and there's hills off in the distance. You can see green grass and pastures, and there's trees. It's just so beautiful. And it's cool because the sun rises up over that way, makes its way that way, and it sets over there. So you could sit out here in the morning with a cup of coffee, watch the sunrise, and then come out here in the evening with a glass of wine and watch the sun set. It's just awesome. And I love the front entry here. It's got stone on each side. There's 2 gas lanterns, and then you've got these 2 giant doors right here. I could really see myself spending a lot of time out here on the front patio. I tried to measure it. I think it's like 35 feet by like 18 or something like that. I mean, it is giant. But the cool thing is, this isn't the only nice outdoor living space in this house, or outside of this house. Let me show you the next one. So here we are in the second outdoor living space of this home that to me is so amazing. Let's start out over here on this side. You've got a beautiful area to sit and hang out and an outdoor fireplace right here. In addition to that, you've got this ceiling fan, tongue and groove ceilings. There's recessed lighting. Of course, it's really covered so you're not getting hit by the sun or anything like that. And it's just so spacious. Once again, it's huge. You can go all the way over here. There's some steps right there behind you. You're just looking out into the woods and at the grass right here. I mean, what a cool place to hang out. And then if you come over to this side right here, you can have a outdoor table like this one right here, so you can host parties and have people over just to hang out and eat dinner. You could sit out here with the family and have dinner. I mean, I would definitely, I could see myself, I would put a TV up here, and of course they've already got the outlet and everything to run a TV, have your favorite game on right here, have a fire going, hanging out with your friends, maybe sitting over here eating dinner. And here's another really cool part about this outdoor living space. This door system right here is like an accordion door style system. So that folds and opens all the way. So basically it creates this one space going all the way into the home. So people can be inside and hanging out with people outside. If you've never experienced that when you're entertaining, it makes it so nice because people don't have to keep opening and closing the door. It's just like a fluid, like very easy space to move in and out of as you're hanging out. So the outdoor living spaces, guys, on this house are just freaking amazing. That front patio, this back patio, I absolutely love them. All right, let's go check out my second favorite thing. All right, guys, the second thing that I love about this house is the windows and doors. As you can see behind me, there is just a ton of natural light just pouring into this home. You've got this giant front entry door that's got all that open glass for you to be able to see that view out front. And then over on each side of the front entry door, you've got these giant windows that are probably 10 feet tall that also give you that really, really nice view. You've got it right here from the living room area. And then if you come over to this kitchen area as well, you've got the same view right here. And then they've got windows up above that you guys can't see as well. They just did a really good job with the window and door package in this home. There's so much like natural light pouring into the house. Oh, and did I mention the windows are manufactured by Pella windows, which are made right here in the USA. Very high quality window. They also use casement windows for a lot of the windows, which is really, really neat. And they, in addition to all these windows right here, they put some really nice windows in the master bedroom as well. So let me go show you those. Here I am in the master bedroom, and as you can see behind me, once again, they just put these giant windows everywhere that have great views. That is overlooking the front, so you get that same view that I showed you guys on the front patio and in that front living room area. Then they've got beautiful Pella casement windows over on each side of the bed right here. So you just basically look into some woods right here, and then you guys can't see the two big windows right here, but these windows actually look out into the backyard. So they've just got windows everywhere in this house, and they put them all in the right places. You get great views, and they used a high quality product as well. So I love the windows and doors in this home. All right, let's move on to my next favorite thing about this house. All right, guys, my next favorite thing about this home is this master bathroom right here. I mean, you can't see behind you, but it's got two huge windows with a great view. We already know there's views everywhere. There's plenty of space. You've got two sides here. So you walk in, you've got this beautiful countertop right here. It's got the mirror with the gold frame. There's two mirrors on each side. I just love that. Plenty of cabinet space. Then you've got another sink over here, and then a little space with another mirror for someone that putting on their makeup or getting ready or doing whatever. And then the master shower. Oh my gosh, check this out. This master shower is like huge. You step over here and it's like, oh my gosh, let me see if I can just get you guys in here with me, right? There we go. I mean, look at this master shower. There's a bench seat right here. Let me just kind of show you. Giant bench seat. There's a rain shower head above me. They've got the wand right here. They've got a normal shower head. I mean, it is just really nice, guys. This is a nice shower. This is a very nice master bathroom. I mean, the flooring is beautiful. Check out this flooring right here. Really nice looking flooring, tall ceilings, plenty of lighting. I mean, there's just nothing not to love about this master bathroom. Oh, and I'm not even gonna show this to you guys, but that leads into the master closet, and it is beautiful. They've got built-ins, it's huge, there's wood floors in there, really, really nice master closet as well. So, all right, that's enough of the master bathroom. On to my next favorite thing. My next favorite thing about this home is the kitchen. I love this stone, I guess you would call it oven hood. It looks just like the fireplace. It's basically matching or mirroring the fireplace that's in the living room right there. I have never seen anybody do anything like this. It goes all the way up to the ceiling. I mean, it must be 30 feet tall, and it surrounds this just beautiful oven right here. It's a really like nice focal point. The kitchen has a huge island right here, plenty of space, and these cabinets are definitely custom cabinets. You can just tell they are so tall. Those must be 4 feet. I mean, oh my gosh, you can feel how solid they are. They're really beautiful. I love the, you guys can't see the oven from over there, but it's called a monogram oven. Huge light window right there. The refrigerator has got this wood paneling that covers it, that matches the cabinets. Microwaves down there, plenty of space here. And you'll notice there's no dishwasher here. There's no dishwasher out here, so where could it be? Where could it be? Well, let me show you. All right, so right behind the kitchen, you've got this butler's kitchen. It's really a kitchen, it's not a pantry. It's not a butler's pantry. This is more like a butler's kitchen. It's got its own sink right here. You've got the dishwasher, and then you've got countertop and cabinet space right here. Oh, and did I mention there's also a refrigerator right here? So this is basically a kitchen by itself. And I love that it hides like your second refrigerator, it hides the dishwasher, so you're not gonna have the noise from the dishwasher, you're not taking up space with the dishwasher. And once again, I don't know if I mentioned this yet, but like there's some pretty nice windows and views in this room as well. I mean, geez. So guys, I love the kitchen and I love this little butler's kitchen as well. They did such a great job with that. All right, on to my next favorite thing. All right, so I'm walking through the mudroom area right now, which is nice. It's got these little setups here. And then I'm heading into the downstairs laundry room. Let me flip you guys around. All right, so here's the downstairs laundry room. You know, there's enough room for a washer and dryer. It's got some nice upper cabinets right here. There's a closet here behind me. But I mean, you know, it's I don't know, maybe not what you would expect of a home at this price point. However, what if I told you this isn't the only laundry room in this house? All right, so if you enjoy doing laundry, then you are in luck. When you get upstairs, you get up to this main hallway right here, hook a right here, and this is gonna take you into one of the best looking laundry rooms I have ever seen. Come on. Ta-da! I mean, tell me that is not beautiful. All that cabinet space right there. There's tons of countertop space, upper cabinets, huge windows. Then on this side is where you would put your washer and dryer, more cabinets, really tall ceilings. Hoo-wee! They just did such a great job with this. Plenty of space up here. So if you've got kids or just a large family and you've got a lot of laundry, they certainly gave you a place to be able to handle it. So I love how they did that. I love that they put a small laundry room downstairs and they didn't take up a lot of room or space. And then they put this big giant one upstairs where all the kids are gonna be and where all the, frankly, laundry is gonna be piling up. They did a great job with the laundry room. The last thing that I want to mention about this home is its location. As you know, it's located in Thompson Station, which is a great little town in Williamson County. It's located just south of Franklin, Tennessee. This specific home is located on Reed Road. Reed Road is just a small dead-end country road here in Thompson Station. It's located off of Bethesda Road. Once you get on Bethesda Road, you are probably 20 minutes from Cool Springs, maybe 20 or 25 minutes from downtown Franklin. You can easily get to Nashville, Berry Farms. They're installing a new interstate exit in Spring Hill that's called June Lake, and that's gonna actually pop out over on this side of the highway. This home is maybe about 10 minutes from where that interstate exit's gonna be. There's gonna be a lot of commercial businesses going there. There's a Hy-Vee grocery store getting put in there. So there's like lots of good stuff within 20 to 30 minutes from this home. But the great thing is you're on your own plot of land out here. It's quiet, it's peaceful. You've got all these views, dead-end road. Thompson Station is always going to be a small, quiet little town. There's just not enough space here. So I really appreciate you guys watching. My name's Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent for Kerr & Company Realty. If you'd like to talk to me about buying this specific home or maybe another home here in Williamson County, head over to workwithmatt.com, and from there you can schedule a brief 15-minute consultation with me and we can talk about your options. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to hearing from you. I'll see you next time. Bye.